Hey y'all good people. How y'all doing today? Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna upcycle this skirt that I got from the thrift store and this graphic tee that I got from Walmart. So, y'all wanna see what I'm gonna do to it? Come on. Now, y'all, we are going to use these big grommets. If y'all new here, then y'all don't know that I love grommets. So we're gonna put grommets on these grommets, and I'll have the link in the comments, in the description. I had a link somewhere for y'all to get these grommets. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place them kind of where I want them. I think I'm gonna start like this. And y'all, they are really easy to do. So I think I'm gonna do something like this, y'all. So now I got them kind of where I want them. We're gonna see if this permanent marker gonna mark it. Let's see. Oh, it did a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna leave the lining so you won't be able to see my legs and all that. No, y'all, I can't find the hole. Was it right there? I have no idea. Cause I can't see it with this fabric. Let's see. We're gonna use this piece of soap and try to mark it. And see if it gonna work. Okay, I can see it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is make sure I don't cut my lining, and I'm gonna cut in the middle, and then I'm gonna cut this circle out. If y'all been here before, then y'all already should know how to do this. I'm gonna cut a little hole out and make sure that my grommet can fit in there. So I'm gonna put it back on there and see. You don't wanna cut too much. You wanna cut just enough. Okay, I think that'll work. And y'all, what I like to do, because I have found that if you put your grommets on, and if you kind of stretch the fabric, especially if it's a stretchy fabric, then it'll pull the grommet loose. So what I like to do is, once I put my grommet in the back, I like to put some hot glue on there just to make sure the grommet don't move. So I just put some hot glue around here. So my fabric won't move. And then I'm gonna stick it on there and press it in. And once I get it in like that, I will go over it again with some hot glue to pop in the top piece. And then you just pop it in. And there you have it. I'm gonna do the rest of these, then I will come back, because I know y'all don't want to see me do all these. Okay, so I got this shirt right here to go with this skirt. When I seen it at Walmart, I was like, yeah, that'll go good with the skirt that I thrifted. But I don't like the black. I don't like the skirt with the black. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the image out and put it on the white shirt. So So yeah, I don't know if I want to sew it on or use some, what it's called, heat and bun, and bun it on the shirt. I don't know. I am going to use the heat and bun to put it on. Then I think I'm going to do like a zigzag stitch just to kind of add a little more character to it. So I'm just cutting around it, not too close, because I do want to be able to do a zigzag stitch. Cut my heating bun, and what I'm gonna do is and this is the sewing heating bun. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sew. You're gonna iron this on top of your heating bun. You're gonna iron your heating bun on top of your image. And I'm just using that old sheet because it will iron onto that, but it don't matter. It's all in there. You don't have to hold it or nothing. You just lightly iron it on it. And that's it. Now I know it's gonna stick to me. You see? Let me get right here in this thing. And you got some that sticks. It's permanent, but this is the light. So. Come on, let's dive. When I seen this skirt at the thrift store, I knew I had to have it. I know I wanted to put on a graphic tee with it just to make it not so dressy. And when I seen that t-shirt, I was like, yep. I think this is so cute. I love the color of this skirt. And y'all, I left the line in there because you see all these little holes. I didn't want all my stuff to be shown, so. I just love muscle tee, but anyway, let me put this on. With the socks or without the socks. I think I like it with the sock, because without the sock, it just look kind of dressy, and I don't want it to look so dressy. So I think with the socks, which I think. Yeah, so I added on all my jewelry, some silver jewelry, silver silver necklace, silver jewelry, just throw the little purple in there, and added my Askew bag. But y'all, I love this. But the only thing, I wish I had like some purple shoes to go with it, and I think it would have been so cute, but I ain't got no purple shoes, so we gotta do what we got to do. But anyway, it still eats. But yeah, cute little bag, and this is the fix. How y'all like it? Bag is cute. You see the bag? And yeah, the bag is available at vanqaskew.com. No, I like it. I like it. I think it's cute.